If your once sparkling pool is looking cloudy and uninviting, it could have a filtration issue or too many chemicals. Here's what you'll need to fix it. First, check the filtration system thoroughly and replace any broken or worn parts. Then clear any debris from the skimmer basket. You should also wash the filter and treat it with a cleaning agent. Once you've determined the filter works, the next step is using a pool test kit to check the water and chemical levels. The chlorine level should be between 1 to 3 parts per million. Next, check the pH. It should be between 7.2 and 7.8. 7.6 is ideal. Any level below is too acidic and anything higher is too basic, so adjust accordingly. If your water is still cloudy, you may need to use a clarifier to boost your filter's cleaning abilities. Wait 24 hours after application for best results. To keep your pool clear, run the pump at least 8 hours a day and maintain an ideal pH and chlorine range. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.